People pick LED wattage by guesswork. Then the road has dark patches, or the system is overpowered and overpriced. Hi, I'm Wow Wu, co-founder at Adian Light. I've designed solar street lights for about 10 years, highways, villages, and everything in between. Today, I'll show you a simple method. You can do it in minutes, and you'll sound professional in every proposal. Here's the truth. LED wattage is a result, not a starting point. It mainly depends on three things: road width, pole height and spacing, and your target lux level. Change any one of those and your wattage changes. So first we measure, then we calculate, never the other way around. I always write down three inputs: how many lanes, the full pavement width, and the pole arrangement. Because arrangement matters. Single-side poles need wider beam reach. Double-side poles split the job. Median layouts are a different game. Typical road widths I see in projects: highways are often 20 to 30 meters wide. Main city roads are around 15 to 20 meters. Secondary roads are about 10 to 15 meters. Residential streets are usually 6 to 10 meters. Village lanes and paths can be 3 to 6 meters. Wide pavement means more surface to light. More surface means more lumens. And more lumens usually means higher wattage. Now let's talk poles. Pole height helps you spread light, but spacing decides if you get uniformity. A practical rule I use is simple. Spacing should be no more than about 4 to 5 times the pole height. If spacing goes longer, you usually need more lumens per fixture. Otherwise, you get dark gaps between poles. Quick reality ranges I often see. With 4 to 6 meter poles, many projects land around 20 to 50 watts. With 6 to 8 meter poles, it's often 30 to 60 watts. With 8 to 10 meter poles, it can jump to 60 up to 150 watts. With 10 to 12 meter poles, it's commonly 100 to 200 watts. And for 12 meters and above, it can be 150 to 250 watts. These are ranges, not a final answer. The final answer comes from lux. Lux is brightness on the ground, and different roads need different targets. Typical targets used in early planning: main arterials often target about 20 to 30 lux. Secondary roads often target about 15 to 25 lux. Residential streets often target about 10 to 20 lux. Sidewalks or rural paths can be about 5 to 10 lux. If your tender or local standard specifies a class, use that. If not, start with these ranges, then confirm with simulation later. This is the fast method I use before I run Dialux. Step 1. Calculate the area one lamp needs to cover. Area equals pole spacing times road width. Step 2. Choose the target lux. Step 3. Convert lux to lumens. Total lumens equal area times lux. Step 4. Convert lumens to watts. Needed watts equal total lumens divided by LED efficacy. Efficacy means lumens per watt. A common planning value is around 130 lumens per watt. If you're using a premium module, it might be closer to 160. Higher efficacy means fewer watts for the same brightness. Let's do a real example together. Pole height, 8 meters. Pole spacing, 30 meters. Road width, 10 meters. Target brightness, 20 lux. LED efficacy, 130 lumens per watt. Now we calculate. Area equals 30 times 10. That's 300 square meters. Total lumens equals 300 times 20. That's 6,000 lumens. Watts equals 6,000 divided by 130. That's about 46 watts. So what do we select? We don't choose 46. We choose the nearest catalog rating. I'd round to 50 watts. Why round up? Because real life is messy. Dust, lens aging, and voltage drop happen. A small buffer helps you avoid dark spots years later. 2 quick tips that save you headaches. First tip, write your assumptions clearly. Spacing, width, target lux, and LMW. That makes your bid defendable. Second tip, If this is a solar street light project, wattage affects everything: panel size, battery size, and the real nighttime run time. So getting wattage right isn't just about brightness, it's about total system cost and reliability. So here's the full workflow. Measure the road, confirm pole height and spacing, pick a lux target, use the 4-step formula, and round to a practical model with a small buffer. No guesswork, no drama, just clean engineering logic. Contact us for a free street light and solar lighting proposal. Website www.adnsolarstreetlight.com. WhatsApp +986 158 671 1854.